you doing there, Marco?
Teaching Dave how to tie his lines.
He's about to throw another rod in the water. Heading out.
Yeah.
Going out for a second. Big water. We're in the big water near the Galapagos Islands. Like we think we got a crab pot. Oh look, you got a octopus. That's all we got. Just need some that are bigger. You got doubled up. Can't find any big ones. But mine is definitely bigger than Marco's.
That's what he keeps saying. Brings his own special ruler with him. Man, they bite down on that hook.
I know exactly what 8 inches is. That's the biggest fish Marco's ever caught.
Real fish of the day, up to me, as always.
You're so, what do you call it when you don't have a big...
Ow! He's fucking biting me!
That's going
That's
on
karma
YouTube.
right there.
That's right. There. Wait, what we double up on? All right, we found mine is definitely
exactly
bigger.
The same length, just so you know.
Mine's definitely bigger. Oh, Marco gets one. We just staged that whole thing. Yeah. So that's a speckled trout, and it's indigenous to New Guinea here.
Outfish the Dave.
Marco's a narco. He wishes.